Magpakalalaki ka. Ayusin mo ang problema mo sa asawa mo. Unahin mo yan. Tama ka dyan. Pero wag mong bastusin yung tao na tumumulong sa'yo sa lahat ng problema mo. Ikaw, okay ka na. Diba? Paano si Pern na umiiyak? For me, sorry, Andy, what was your intent with all of this? Because right now, I'm believing, Andy, your intent was to destroy Pern and hurt Pern. I can sleep in the same bed with Pernilia and my wife would not doubt. I mean, to tell you the truth, I really think Pern, she should sue. People can bash me, I don't care. Okay, tahimik kami sa umpisa. But seeing now all the negativity, all the lies, all the threats, may mga threats, and seeing the slow destruction of our friend's life na she's just hiding in her room with her boyfriend. Legit siya dito, legitimate ang stay niya dito. She's a permanent resident. She loves the Philippines. She has chosen the Philippines over her country. I cannot sit back here and my wife and I spoke about it and nadamay na rin kami. My children are going to see this. Her children are going to see this. It's irresponsible posting. Don't act on emotion. Think before you speak. Think before you act because the repercussions can be so big. I'm not trying to cause a fight between me, my family, Andy, and Philmar. Nandun ulit ako sa tama at sa mali. Wish Philmar, excuse me for using this term, would have the balls to be a man. Magpakalalaki ka. Ayusin mo ang problema mo sa asawa mo. Unahin mo yan. Tama ka dyan. Pero wag mong bastusin yung tao na tumumulong sa'yo sa lahat ng problema mo. Ipagtanggol mo yung tao. Sabi mo okay na kami. Di ayusin mo. Pakita mo na talaga na okay. Ikaw okay ka na. Diba? Paano si Pern na umiiyak? Kasi puro na lang paninira. Gigising siya. Yan na lang na mapapasa niya. Hindi siya makalabas ng pamamahay niya. We live in a world of bashers. It's just like people love to bash. Get the opportunity to bash. And pwede mo sabihin, if you're mentally strong like me, people can bash me. I don't care. But not everybody is like me. And for me to talk to her every day and she's crying and crying and crying and crying and crying. O sinabi ko sa kanya, mali yung ginawa mo sa tattoo. Pero naiintindihan ko it's a cultural difference because she's not from here. But she's willing to accept that and apologize for that because the intent, okay, mali ka, she's wrong. She says she's wrong. She understands that. But the intent was not to hurt Andy. The intent was not to steal her husband. Her intent was not to betray Andy. Philmar runs to Pern. It's not Pern running to Philmar.